Boy, they were killing man. Boy, wicked.
John, my viewers and subscribers, welcome again to the Trendy Dancehall. You don't know, hope you have a blessed day and thing. So what we are going to talk about today is very intense, you see it? Earlier this morning, it looked like tension have been rising in St. Andrew, the community of Cockburn Pen, after a police, they want to say alleged thing, but me know that an alleged thing. You see me, peeps? Yeah, man. So, watch a prayer. One 30-year-old man has been shot this morning. You see it? Residents set a car on fire in the section of the community, and you don't know the thing go. Basically, them a fling one bag of stone and them something there for block off the road. You see it? The intersection part. You see it? So, like the motion, the Jamaicans are protest, if you get me. So, this is actually a protest currently taking place. You see? Like the other day, people are talking about protesting and Black Lives Matters and shit, and watch it. In a less than 2 bare people are dead. Like, we are killing for 100 and shit. You see me? But I really like that. You see me? No joke. The one that has straight up my perspective. So, differently, with everything will take place, members of like the security force stands guard as residents in Cockburn Pen protest. Is it? The guy name is Sean Ferguson, you see me? And one of the member of parliament in St. Andrew of the Southwestern District, Angela Brown Burke, was on the scene trying to calm down things.
Boy, they were killing man. Boy, wicked.
And this police, make sure I put it back in the down in other section, the part of the video. You see me? So the people them of it will say the police man shot the man, kill him, you see me? Cool. And obviously people see them with them own to why. Or them not go just, a video person and I say them thing this way, you get me? But hopefully them have him badge number and think this out of control, is it? No jokes. Yeah, man, so guys, thank you all for watching the video, tuning into this far in at the end, you see me? Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. You don't know, share to a friend or a friend, it not really matter, is it? So, we see each other. Oh yeah, and remember to watch the rest of the video, them people, because I really create the video so them enjoyable for each and everybody, you see me? So, the trendy dance all day, you know the style out, but